this is your Words Their Way spelling pretest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read these words to you. I'll say them once and then repeat them. And I'm not going to put a lot of time in between each word because you'll be able to go back and rewatch this, okay? So I'm going to read through each word. There are 31 of them. And when you hear the word, just spell it as best you can, okay? And please don't get any help on this. This is so I know where you are spelling-wise so that I can help move you ahead. On the top of your paper, please, in the upper right-hand corner, on a lined piece of paper, write your name, first and last, your grade, and the assignment is called Words Their Way Assessment. And then please put the date. Thank you. This will need to be handed in as soon as you finish it, okay? So just take the test and then just email it to me, okay? So number 1, the word is switch, switch. Number 2, smudge, smudge. Number 3, trapped, trapped. Number 4, scrape, scrape. Number 5, knotted, knotted. Number 6, shaving, shaving. Number 7, squirt, squirt. Number 8, pounce, pounce. Number 9, scratches, scratches. Number 10, crater, crater. Number 11, sailor, sailor. Number 12, village, village. Number 13, disloyal, disloyal. Number 14, tunnel, tunnel. Number 15, humor, humor. Number 16, confidence, confidence. Number 17, fortunate, fortunate. Number 18, visible, visible. Number 19, circumference, circumference. Number 20, civilization, civilization. Number 21, monarchy, monarchy. Number 22, dominance, dominance. Number 23, correspond, correspond. Number 24, illiterate, illiterate. Number 25, emphasize, emphasize. Number 26, opposition, opposition. Number 27, chlorine, chlorine. Number 28, commotion, commotion. Number 29, medicinal, medicinal. Number 30, irresponsible, irresponsible. Number 31, succession, succession. That's it. Feel free to rewind, rewatch, replay as many times as you need. Good luck, you'll do great.